choose to become a doctor? What was your motivation there?
I am Dr. M. O. Kumar, Assistant Professor of Pediatric Medicine, Bangalore Medical College. Actually in 1980s there were only 4 medical colleges in Karnataka, government medical colleges. And since my father came from a rural background, so I was motivated to serve the people, hence I was motivated to become a doctor. And also another reason is one of my friends and we were studying together. So he was interested to become a doctor. I was inspired by him and I also again. Both of us joined doctor. We joined in Bangalore. I joined in Bangalore Medical College. We joined in Medalli.
Thank you, sir. It was really good knowing your journey. So let's move on to the next question, sir. So let's travel back in your college days.
Yes.
Like, can you recollect any experience from your college which is still memorable for you, sir?
Actually, on the first day of my college, my father took me from his office to the college city market. We came in a bus or some auto. First we went to the Venkateshwara temple opposite to the Bangalore Medical College. We did one puja and then I got admitted to the college. It was my first experience. I was very thrilled entering the Bangalore Medical College.
Glad to know that you had such a memorable experience. Could you recollect any more rebellious thing that you did as a student, sir?
No, I was actually very mild. Actually, I was more concentrated on studies. I have not done anything rebellious and adventurous thing in my college days.
Good thing to know, sir, that you didn't do anything rebellious. Let's explore some pivotal moments in your journey, sir. Can you recall your first dissection experience, sir?
The question I was about to tell because all are fearful about the dead body. On the first day, I was made to sit in front of one dead body on the table with some 8 to 10 classmates. That formally, this one was very irritating and I was actually crying and that smell was also, I was not interested. I felt very bad. So somehow later on I got adjusted.
So glad to know that like every Monday you had the same experiences as a student.
Yes.
Like, do you recollect if at all you failed your exam during first years or any year?
Yeah, actually I failed